Money can solve a lot of problems, if not all our problems. This is why many people are working hard towards the goal of becoming a millionaire. With that being said, let's take a look at 10 things you can do in 2022 to become a millionaire. Hello guys, and welcome to Luxury Society. Number 10. Learn about cryptocurrency and invest in it. The cryptocurrency industry has been trending for quite a few years and is still something many invest in. Cryptocurrency runs on the concept of blockchain, which is something that can be integrated with various industries. For instance, it can be used in the healthcare industry to store and process data while getting rid of fake or unwanted data easily. One can monetize this by starting a business on this concept. Number 9. Trading. Trading is an art that many have indulged in for quite a long time. Trading has helped increase revenues with the benefit of decreased competition. One can trade long-term or short-term depending on what they prefer. One also gets better at risk management with this art and also can rack up more money than a 9-to-5 job does if done strategically after studying the markets well. Number 8. Invest in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is in major demand nowadays. Investing in starting up a cybersecurity company or learning a few skills in this industry can rack up you millions, as this skills is rare and people are paying a large amount to people who are equipped with them. Number 7. Educate yourself and invest in the tech industry. Technology is advancing at a very fast rate, and the majority of the new startups are from this industry. The industry has been doing extremely well over the past few years as the pandemic has forced people to work from home, and technology has aided in making this transition easier. Learning a coding language to create an app can rack 1 million over time. Number 6. Invest in real estate. Real estate doesn't necessarily mean buying an expensive house and then renting it out. In doing so, it can take years to make back the money spent. Instead, one can invest in flipping real estate, REITs, or simply helping others to rent out their properties. Number 5. Digital marketing. One can be a digital marketer or simply have their own digital marketing agency and rack millions from it, as it's a trending industry. Every company needs its products or services to be advertised, and digital marketing agencies come to the rescue. Making money through Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and so on is not only easy but profitable too. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing that involves hiring people to promote a particular good or service in the way they deem best. The advantages of indulging in this form of marketing help reap a high return on investments as well as high flexibility by scaling up or down the business. Moreover, this can provide you millions as it comes with low risk, low starting up cost, and low ongoing costs. Number 3. Monetize ideas. Great ideas can be found everywhere as long as we know where to look for them. At times, we feel like we don't have the right amount of funds or expertise to back up the project, due to which the idea goes to waste. There are plenty of sites out there that sell ideas to entrepreneurs who can bring life to the idea. These sites pay individuals for sharing their ideas on the platform. Number 2. Invest in the EV industry. Tesla is a company that has outdone itself with its range of EV cars that are going to replace all the gasoline-powered cars from the surface of the earth very soon. Thus, investing in this company or other companies that do offer these types of electric vehicles is going to provide you with a high return on investment. Furthermore, this industry is moving from its infancy stage to its growth stage real fast, making it the perfect time to hop into the bandwagon and invest in it. Number 1. Invest in the space industry. In a few decades, space tourism will be normalized, and SpaceX and Blue Origin have already begun working on making this a reality. This industry is a billion-dollar industry that has highly skilled experts and professionals working on these projects. Investing in this industry is definitely going to reap millions as long as you invest in them in the right way after conducting some intense research. Which tip out of the list was your favorite? Write your favorites in the section below. With that being said, do drop this video a like, subscribe to Luxury Society, and push the bell icon. See you soon!